Hi there! So I'm continuing my voyage to become a weekender woodworker, and today I'm looking at building an essential woodworking tool that needs to be part of any workbench, even one as rudimentary as mine. A shooting board is an essential tool for shooting edges of a board, making sure that they are straight, plumb, and square. A very easy build with a few important considerations. I am cutting a piece of 18mm MDF to a size appropriate for my workbench. On top of it I will place a smaller sheet of thinner material, 12mm MDF in my case. I would probably use plywood if I had it on hand, but I don't, so here we are. I will offset the second board to make space for my bench plane to run on the side of it. I'll cut it to size with my track saw. I'm making sure to use a perfectly square edge for the top right corner. The stop block needs to be perfectly square as well. At least the two faces that will touch the plate and the material being worked on. I am test fitting everything, making sure that the plane will not cut into the stop block. Now we can proceed to final assembly. After everything has set, we can test it. Small chamfer on one side of the end grain so I don't blow it out at the top. Then turn it around and cut the rest of the end grain to a level where the chamfer disappears. Works like a charm. Give it a try in your work shed. See you next time.